Today we're in Indianapolis, northwest corner, Marion County, in the Pike Township. We are in Brenton Woods today, and I want to show you around this community so that way you get a good idea about what it is about. All right, guys, I'm currently wrapping up on an open house, and once I'm done with this, I'm going to take you outside and show you some of the properties, get a good feel of the area, and that way you get an idea of... All right, guys, sorry about that being cut off there. I had so many people come through that open house. So anyhow, I just want to show you a little bit about this community, Brenton Woods, and that way you get an idea of what it's like up here. We're just just west of 71st and Michigan, and we're in the Pike Township area, Marion County, up on the northwest corner. And I just want to kind of give you an idea of what this community is like. So let me flip this around. These are your standard 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 1 and 2 story properties here. These homes were built in the early 90s. I have to keep on shutting this off when I'm crossing the streets. Don't want to get hit, but let me flip this back around so that way you guys get another idea. These properties built in the early 90s, great condition. Price points anywhere, sold price points currently are anywhere between $300 to $350. Give you an idea what's back in here. A lot of mature trees in this area. You are within minutes of I-465, so that way you can jump on the north side to go to Carmel if you'd like, or just minutes downtown. I would say about 15 minutes to the center of downtown if you'd like to go down there and go out for the night, or if you work there or whatever it might be. Like I said, there's a lot of mature trees here. Very quiet neighborhood, except for the lawnmower guy that was out there. But I just want to give you this idea of this community up here that's on the northwest side, 71st and Michigan, just west of there, Brenton Woods, Marion County, Pike Township. So guys, if there's anything I can do for you, whether you're looking to buy or sell a property here in the next 10 days or 100 days, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is down below in the description. Be glad to help you. My name's Devin Hunter. I'm with DS Hunter Realty Group here in the Indianapolis metro area. And if you're actually looking to move down to Florida, I'm a realtor down in Florida as well.